This video explains how to complete the Healthy Relationships and Consent assignment. As noted, Chapter 11 covers some sensitive topics ranging from substance abuse and chemical dependency to abusive relationships and sexual harassment. Since psychological wellness impacts all areas of our lives, including academic success, it is important to explore and discuss these challenging topics. However, some students may find certain topics harder to discuss than others. So this journal offers you a choice of topics to write about based on which you are more interested in or comfortable with addressing. Additionally, since these are two incredibly important topics for your personal life, or if you would like to explore these important topics in further detail, please review this video created for college students by Women Helping Women. Again, there are two options for this assignment. Option 1 is to view the video Love Labyrinth and answer the following reflection questions about this video. Option 2 is to watch the two videos on the meaning and importance of consent, followed by answering the following questions. This is a journal assignment, so whichever questions you decide to answer, copy those questions, click on the Healthy Relationships and Consent link, put your name in the title, paste your questions and answer them here, and post entry. Remember that you only need to complete one of the assignments, not both.